Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the environment, web versus app, and that you have recent updates. This matters because older clients mishandle attachments. Next, check the file itself, size, extension, and whether it exceeds Gmail's 25 MB limit or triggers security filters. Once done, clear browser cache or app cache and switch to an incognito window or restart the app. This removes transient errors and often restores attachment behavior quickly, so you can focus on the next diagnostic steps. Now you dig deeper into the file and account. First, scan the attachment for corruption and for disallowed content like executables inside ZIPs, Gmail strips, or blocks risky items. If size is large, upload to Google Drive and attach the Drive link instead, because Drive bypasses the 25 MB inline limit. Then test sending the same attachment from a different Gmail account or device. If it works there, you know it's account or client-specific. Make sure to temporarily disable browser extensions or security apps that intercept uploads. Finish by recreating the email fresh. Attach a compressed or converted version of the file if needed, since different formats can bypass content filters. Make sure Gmail sync is reset, update the app, or remove and re-add the account to clear persistent sync issues. If problems persist, switch networks. A captive or restricted network can block uploads. One key troubleshooting tip: upload the file to Google Drive and send a Drive link. This reliably circumvents size limits and many attachment errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.